Do you want to enhance your executive presence? Do you want to be seen as a powerful and effective and confident communicator? Then your work begins first thing in the morning with your physical fitness routine. One of the habits of highly effective communicators and leaders is that they embrace an early morning exercise routine. What it does is it enhances your executive presence, because when you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you really project and you can command an audience, whether it's online or in person. It enhances your confidence in yourself, and when it enhances your confidence because you feel good and you look good, well, that comes out in how you speak and how you project. In addition, it boosts your energy, and when you have more energy, well, you can really put a lot more oomph behind your messages and your speeches and your presentations, or when you run meetings. I challenge you all to embrace an early morning routine where you at least get 20 minutes of exercise, whether it's cardio and strength, and you'll see the results in your next presentation or your meeting. Good luck.